This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Edward Mateus. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home in the heart of Brandon. The lovely home features 2-car garage, a large front yard and spacious driveway. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by an open floor plan adorned with stylish finishes throughout, modern light fixtures, beautiful brand new kitchen including all new appliances, making it a perfect space for cooking and entertaining, complete with a window overlooking the pool. This completely remodeled home boasts brand new modern cabinets, quartz countertops and a beautiful backsplash. Both bathrooms have been updated, and new windows have been installed. Enjoy an open layout that maximizes space and light, complemented by new ceramic tile flooring, a spacious lanai area, newly screened patio and fenced yard. The pool has been recently relined. The home has been freshly painted inside and out and features a brand new water heater and roof. No HOA This home is perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Experience comfortable living in a serene cul-de-sac setting. Don't miss your chance to make this stunning home yours. For more information,